Ooh. What's inside?
The cow and the sheep.
Wow.
Let's plug it in. Yes.
Awesome. What's next?
This.
Use a notch right here.
Oh, toys.
What's inside?
The train and the ball. The train and the ball.
And what else?
The station. Now. The bear.
Mm-hmm.
And the dolly.
Awesome. Let's close it up and see what's next. Let's close it.
Okay, sure, little. Uh-oh. Yes.
What's next? Let's try another one.
This.
It's kind of hard to open or to close it. Let's see. Do that one.
Ah!
Ooh, what's inside?
The birdie and the roses and the sun.
That's awesome.
And let's close it up.
And what's next?
This.
There you go. Now let's open it. What's inside?
The dog.
And what else?
The cat.
Mm-hmm. And what else?
The parrot.
Awesome. That is awesome. Can we see what else is next? What else is next? Let's see what's next. Come over here. Let's show us what's next. How about this one?
Oh, okay. What are we doing here? Well, this way.
What's inside?
This. Okay.
Use the latch to open it. There you go.
Wow.
What's inside?
The horses.
How many horses are there?
1, 2.
Yay! 2 horses.
2.
What do the horses say?
Yay!
That's right. All right. Bye-bye, horses.
Bye-bye, horses.
All right. Now let's try the treasure chest.
Okay. Okay. What is in
Ooh. What's
What?
inside?
it? The playing king.
There's gold inside.
Me?
diamonds
Is
is
it
a-
for me?
For you, yes. There's a big treasure inside just for you. That's awesome. All right. Let's close the treasure up.
Okay.